Right then folks, let's not mess around, let's get right into it. So I'd recommend if you're just starting window cleaning or you're looking to clean your own home windows, you have 3 sizes of squeegee. A larger one, medium and small. Now the sizes I would recommend for you, especially if you're just starting in window cleaning, is a 14-inch squeegee for your larger one, a 12-inch squeegee for your medium one, and a 6-inch for your smaller one. Those 3 sizes will cover the vast majority of windows you're likely to come across. So those are the 3 sizes of squeegee I would recommend for especially residential clients, and you'll find in a lot of countries you'll get loads of different sizes of windows to come across, so having those 3 sizes will really help out. So those are the 3 sizes I would recommend for residential work. But if you're doing commercial clients, I'd recommend getting something a little bit bigger. Now, if you're fairly new to window cleaning, I wouldn't go much bigger than 18 inches, especially to start with. An 18-inch squeegee will cover most commercial jobs really nicely. So you might find when you're doing commercial clients that an 18-inch and a 14-inch squeegee are probably better sizes for larger commercial windows. And then keep your smaller squeegees for when you do residential clients. But that is not to say that commercial jobs will never have small windows for you to clean. So you might be worthwhile getting a tool belt or a bucket to keep your squeegees in, and just keeping all of your squeegees on hand, especially if there's quite a vast mix of window sizes on the job that you're doing. When it comes to using the traditional tools on an extension pole, I tend to use 2 different sizes for my pole tools. My larger extension pole tool is 14 inches and the smaller one is 10 inches. I tend to use the 14 for, again, commercial clients, and the 10-inch pole extension tool for those residential clients. So the 14-inch, especially windows like this, come in really handy. You get a good coverage all the way down the glass, and it works really nicely. So just to recap, if you're using the tools in the hand, then a 14-inch, a 12 and a 6-inch will do you nicely. And if it's commercial jobs and you're using tools in the hand, then perhaps an 18 and a 14 will be better for those commercial jobs. And if you're using them on a pole, then I would recommend a 14-inch and a 10-inch tool for your extension pole work. So hopefully that helps. If you've got any questions at all, just pop them in the comments box below. Be happy to help out, and hopefully you've enjoyed the video and found it useful today. Thank you very much for tuning in, much appreciated, and until next time, you take care, be good, and remember, keep squeegee slinging.